Hey honey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get straight into this look.
Great girl, that's what they always say, and it hurts watching them just walk away. They use words to cover up what they don't feel for me. Same thing, yeah, same thing every time, sugar-coated. Every word and every line say I'm amazing, but why would you leave a girl after you put that in her hand? These circumstances, no, they always ruin all my chances, but in the end I always know that they'll leave me left alone, and I'll act like I'm not hurt, 'cause he said I'm a great girl. No, he said I'm a great girl. Yeah, I'm such a great girl. And I'll act like I'm not hurt. 'Cause I'm such a great girl. Sweet talk, never felt that sweet to me, at least based on all my history. I think I get the most compliments whenever something starts to end, and I'm left with empty confidence. Tell me how that makes sense. And I know I've always been the type, optimistic every single time. Maybe at this point I'm in denial, but that doesn't mean I'll stop trying, 'cause being a hopeless romantic don't stop when you're alone. No, no, no. These circumstances, no, they always ruin all my chances, but in the end I always know that they'll leave me left alone, and I'll act like I'm not hurt, 'cause he said I'm a great girl. No, he said I'm a great girl. Yeah, I'm such a great girl, and I'll act like I'm not hurt, 'cause I'm such a great girl. I'm such a great It's the summer breeze on a Sunday morning. Birds chirping, a new day is calling. Yesterday is gone, and in my heart there's a new song of peace. It's the summer rain on a Monday evening. The wind chimes must have a message they're sending. How they play, how they play, how they play, how they play for me. It's giving peace and love. It's giving peace and love. It's giving peace and love. It's giving peace right now. It's giving peace and love. Do I make it look easy? Being on edge all the time. I need you to need me. I need your attention to be mine. I'm fine with being lonely, but sometimes I need something more. But if you don't want me, then I should just ignore you. And it's so tempting to live in my head like this all day. My expectations kill me, 'cause it always ends the same. And I'm such a tryhard, but maybe if I tried harder, I'd be with you. I try, and baby you don't try at all. So what do? I'm infatuated and I'm so irritated that you just keep me waiting, baby. I'm losing my patience and you always seem so far. And we both know I try too hard. Too hard, too hard, too hard. I'll reply in a minute, but I know an hour's fast for you. And I hate to admit it, but I know you don't want this like I do. At least I'm consistently getting let down. And always predicted when I go from potential to rebound. And it's so tempting to live in my head and just pretend that it could all work out, but I always know how it ends. And I'm such a tryhard, but maybe if I tried harder, I'd be with you. I try, and baby you don't try at all. So what do? I'm infatuated and I'm so irritated that you just keep me waiting, baby. I'm losing my patience and you always seem so far. And we both know I try too hard. And I want it so bad just one time, 'cause I felt like second my whole life. And I just want it for just one time, 'cause I'm so tired of trying. And I'm such a tryhard, but maybe if I tried harder, I'd be with you. I try hard, and baby you don't try at all. So what do? I'm infatuated and I'm so irritated that you just keep me waiting, baby. I'm losing my patience and you always seem so far. And we both know I try too hard. I try too hard, I try too hard.
Original, original. Original bad man, oh. One time, one time, one time. Hear me now, hear me now. Can you tell me what's the P? I thought we were G's. You left me lonely. We were meant to be. My one and only, my one and truly, the one where they feel me. more chance? Can you give me one more dance? Can you give me one more glance? Oh babe, can you give me one more chance? Can you give me one more dance? Can you give me one more glance? To say hello, oh, oh, 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 oh. She no one designer, girl she be finer. Meet her for final, wanna make her minor. She no one designer, girl she be finer. Meet her for final, gotta make her mine now. Oh babe, can you give me one more chance? Can you give me one more dance? Can you give me one more glance? Oh babe, can you give me one more chance? Can you give me one more dance? Can you give me one more glance? To say hello, oh, oh, hello, oh, oh, hello, oh, oh, hello, oh, oh, hello, oh,
me by surprise. It was love at first sight, and you're more than meets the eyes. Can't compare you to the women in the past that I have tried, cause I could tell them slide, but you the one that got drive. No TikTok like a rollie, girl, you got time moving slowly. You're not just my lover, see, you're my confidant and homie. When we out at the functions, like you the only one know me. And when I can barely function, you the only one can solve me. Now I shouldn't have to spell it out, you know all the things you mean to me. But I guess I'll tell the world about the blessings that you bring to me. I said L, it's for the life you breathe, making me feel I can do anything. And well obviously it's how we can be ourselves openly. And V, you're voluptuous, but not just that, you're a vibrant thing. And E, this one's simple, cause you make my life go easily. Another L here, and well, yeah, it's for the way you keep on leveling. It's why I'm in love with you, and girl, I wouldn't change anything, it's so love.
Our love so lovely, like angels singing in harmony, in harmony. Our love so lovely, like angels singing in harmony, in harmony.